Before we start and style the sidebar, as you already know, all websites are made up of a number of colors and that they have a color palette. Our color palette is here, see, in the color styles. We have several colors here. Dark background, for example. Each of them has a hex code, that is a hexadecimal code which shows the color. For example, primary, and this is its color code. And all of our website is created using these colors, and you can clearly see what colors have been used. For example, for our background, the color code is 15-15-16. If I click on the outside, see our background color is 15-15-16, which is exactly the same. So we can put these colors in a variable, put each of them in a variable and use them by creating a separate file for them, okay? Let's have an example so that you understand what it means. Suppose that we want our body's background color to be dark. We go here to typography. In typography, the question is what should the color for our background be? The background color is equal to this. So we copy this and paste it here. Now, let's see the result. Our background is like this now. That is, if I show you the body, its color will be like this. But each time if we use this color, we have to type this code. What we can do is to put it in a variable and each time use that variable in case we change the theme of our website. For example, this color here, if its theme changed, we could easily change it to, for example, blue and change it completely and change our design theme. Therefore, it is better to put all of them in a variable. So we create a new file named colors.scss. We introduce all of our colors here and import it into our main file below reset, exactly below reset, so that all files have access to these colors, which is called colors. What is the first color? It's dark background. So we introduce a new variable named dark background. We write dark background as an abbreviation, BG, and the color we had, we paste it here. Now, instead of typing the color code, we use this variable. Let's say dark BG, and if we take a look, it's the same. If I change its value to another color, for example, red, this will also change to red. And if we use this variable in other places, the color in all those places would also change. This is the advantage of using variables, which means we put each color in a variable and then use that variable here, like this. Now we will add the rest of the colors in the same manner here. There is a secondary, which we add here. Then there is primary. Next one is gray. And finally, secondary gray, which like this, we added as well. There are also some other colors. See here, background. These are for the light mode style, which we don't need to worry about for now. See, if I click on this, we can see the light mode. However, for now, we want to implement the dark mode style, and later we will come back for light mode and make it, as you can see here. Okay, for now, let's create the dark mode. We have put all of our colors into variables and have access to them here. So we can use all of these 5 main colors that we have in different files. Now, when the body is dark, see, when it changes to dark, the texts are by default black. So for all of the texts, we enter a star and define that all colors in this mode should be white. We can say it like this, that all of the texts should be white, although not all of them are white. For example, this here is gray. However, in order to see our texts, we define the default color to be white. And wherever it is not white, we go there and set a custom color for it for that part. And that's how we introduce colors.